Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tutorialverse Hub. Is this a familiar sight? Fingerprints, smudges, and a layer of dust covering your beautiful, expensive monitor. It drives me crazy, and I bet it drives you crazy too. You paid for a crystal clear display, so let's make sure you have one. Today, I'm going to show you the definitive, correct way to clean any LCD, LED, or OLED screen without damaging it. A lot of people get this wrong, and it can be a costly mistake. So stick around and I'll walk you through the simple steps to get your screen looking brand new. First things first, and this is non-negotiable. Turn off your monitor. Unplug it from the power source completely. This isn't just for safety. A black screen makes it 1,000 times easier to see all the dust and smudges you need to clean. Don't try to clean a screen while it's on. You'll miss spots, and there's a small but real risk of electrical issues. So, power down. Now let's talk about tools. Forget paper towels, forget your t-shirt, and please, whatever you do, put down that bottle of glass cleaner. These are the enemies of your screen. Paper towels and other fabrics can be abrasive and leave tiny scratches over time. And chemical cleaners? We'll get to why those are a huge no-no in a minute. All you really need are two things: a clean, dry microfiber cloth and a little bit of distilled water. That's it. You can find microfiber cloths anywhere. They're the same kind you use to clean eyeglasses. Make sure it's completely clean before you start. Okay, step 1 is a simple dry wipe. Take your clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe the screen in one direction, either horizontally or vertically. I prefer to go from top to bottom. The goal here is just to remove any loose dust and debris. Don't press hard. A light, gentle touch is all you need. Microfiber is amazing at trapping dust, so this single step will often make a huge difference. Go over the entire surface of the screen once or twice. Check it from an angle to see if you got all the dust. For many of you, this might be all you need to do. But what about those stubborn smudges? You know, the mystery fingerprint from who knows where, or that little spot from a sneeze. This is where the distilled water comes in. And here's the most critical part of the entire process. Never, ever spray anything directly onto the screen. I'm going to say that again because it's that important. Never spray liquid directly onto your monitor. Liquid can drip down into the bezel and seep inside, causing permanent damage to the internal components. It's a recipe for disaster. Instead, take your spray bottle of distilled water and lightly dampen a clean section of your microfiber cloth. And when I say lightly, I mean it. You want the cloth to be slightly damp, not wet or dripping. If you can squeeze water out of it, it's way too wet. Why distilled water? Tap water contains minerals that can leave behind white, chalky residue on your screen when the water evaporates. Distilled water is pure H2O, so it won't leave any deposits. Now, with your lightly dampened cloth, go back to the screen. Gently wipe the smudged areas in a small circular motion. Again, no excessive pressure. Let the moisture and the microfiber do the work. The dampness will help break down the oils and grime from the smudges. Once the smudges are gone, take a separate, completely dry part of the cloth, or a second dry microfiber cloth, and give the screen one final, gentle wipe to remove any remaining moisture and prevent streaks. So, why are we so against using chemical cleaners like Windex or other all-purpose sprays? Modern LCD and OLED screens have a delicate anti-glare and anti-reflective coating on them. This coating is what helps reduce reflections and gives you a great viewing experience. The harsh chemicals found in most household cleaners, especially ammonia and alcohol, will strip this coating away. Over time, this can lead to a cloudy, hazy appearance on your screen, create permanent splotches, and make the display look worse than it did when it was dirty. You can't fix that damage. Once the coating is gone, it's gone for good. Distilled water is gentle, effective, and won't harm these sensitive coatings. And there you have it. Look at that. A perfectly clean, streak-free, crystal-clear display. It looks just as good as the day I took it out of the box. It's a simple process, but doing it correctly makes all the difference in protecting your investment and ensuring you have the best picture quality possible. So remember, power off, dry wipe first, then use a lightly dampened cloth with distilled water for smudges, and never spray the screen directly. That's all for today's tech tip. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple tips to get the most out of your tech. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other cleaning challenges you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.